Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you guys on Self-Care Sunday what I do for myself for Self-Care Sunday. I don't do these things every Sunday. These are just kind of some little ways that I like to treat myself on Sunday or really any day. Usually just Sundays I have the time and I can remember to do all these things. Just because these are the things that I do on Self-Care Sunday doesn't mean these are things that you have to do. There are so many ways to practice self-care. You know, you can read a book, go on a walk, chill on the couch, really whatever makes you happy. So I just wanted to stress that before we get into the video. But yeah, there's so many ways to practice self-care. These are just some of my favorite ways of doing so when I need a little bit of a pick-me-up. And yeah, I will stop blabbing and we will just get into the video. Okay, so this isn't a Self-Care Sunday exclusive, but every morning I like to practice a little self-care by drinking a tall glass of celery juice. It's the #1 way I like to take care of myself, just because it helps to keep my skin clear and helps to balance out my digestive system. So that is what I'm doing here on Self-Care Sunday. I'm going to enjoy it before I have my breakfast. Not every Sunday I get to self-tan, but I am self-tanning this particular Sunday because I actually have an engagement photo shoot. So I'm just taking a little bit of my Eco Tan and applying it all over my body so I can be nice and tanned and not pale. And then I usually do a mask on Sundays. Today I'm taking my Kefir Ultimate Recovery Mask just because my skin has been super dry, and this helps to soothe your skin and kind of give you some moisture back, even though I'm usually really oily. But right now I've been loving this mask to help me combat my really dry skin right now. So next I'm going to tint my brows. This is a new step in my Self-Care Sunday routine that I am incorporating. If you saw my video from last week, you would have seen the whole tutorial on how I tinted my brows. So if you want to watch that again, I will link it down below, and I will link the tinting product that I use. But I really like the results, and so now I am incorporating this into my weekly routine so I can get that full bushy brow effect. I mean, just look how good that looks, like awesome. So before I let you guys go, I have a sneaky little giveaway for you guys today, brought to you by Tula. So I asked them to send me their discovery kit to give away to you guys, and they so graciously did so. So I will be giving one lucky winner a discovery kit from Tula. It has all of these awesome goodies inside. I don't want to open it up because it's like wrapped in wrapping paper and I want you guys to have new stuff. But this is the card that it comes with. So it basically comes with a mini purifying cleanser, the glycolic toner, my favorite, the illuminating serum, and then the day and night cream. I've used all of these products every day for my skincare. You guys know that. I love Tula. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this giveaway picture, or I will enter the picture right here. Follow me, which is Holisticless and Tula, and then answer the question that I'm about to give you in the comments of this picture and tag a friend. Question for you that you guys will be answering in this post is, what is your favorite way of treating yourself on Self-Care Sunday, or just in general? What is your favorite thing to do for self-care? So yeah, so just follow me, follow Tula, like this picture, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then tag a friend and answer the question. Again, it'll be listed in the details in the description box and also on this post. You can enter as many times as you want. If you want to keep tagging different friends, go crazy. It will run for 1 week, so it will end next Sunday. And yeah, good luck guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!